nothing like I did before. Will love you more. I need to be with you. Save the rest of all the love I've given you. Keep the memories, recall them if you want to learn. Take my heart and I'll hide behind to see you close. I'll be watching you. Come into yourself and feel the touch I always do. Look into your mind and see that I am next to you. Hear the voices that tells you there is someone who's over and watching you. But it feels like nothing's gonna cross our ways. It's alright, I'm never giving up on you again. Don't forget about the things we did and often do. Look into your mind and see that I am next to you. Hear the voices that tells you there is someone who's over and watching you. But it feels like nothing's gonna cross our ways. It's alright, I'm never giving up on you.
Hello, Ina. Kita mo yung mga litrato na to? Pinaghirapan ni Paring LJ na gawin may print para sa'yo. Malapit na yung second anniversary niyo. Sana magtagal pa kayo. Kagaya ka na sinabi ko sa'yo, di ba? Alagaan niyo yung relasyon niyo. Magpakatatag kayo. Mga problema, dalangan. Mga away, iwasan. Di ba? Sabi ko sa'yo yan. Then, sana maging kayo na hanggang sa dulo. Tapos maging masaya sana kayo. Nandito lang kami mga kaibigan nyo, so suportahan kayo sa relasyon nyo. Maraming salamat sa inyo, sa suporta nyo sa akin. Kahit may pinagdadaanan ako, nandyan kayo para sa akin. And, ito si BFF ko, pero muna ako ngayon ha. Sa akin muna siya. Ito yung sikreto namin. Kaya isa pang dahilan kung ba't kami nag-swimming. Ayun. Salamat, pinahero mo sa akin si LJ. Then, iingat ka palagi. Alagaan mo parang LJ ko. Salamat, bye-bye. Love you.
Laura, sana magtagal pa kayo.
Love you more.